This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make garlic pesto. To begin, you'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget a generous 1/2 cup of high-quality, extra virgin olive oil and a small pinch of salt. Having all your ingredients ready and fresh is the first step to a truly delicious pesto. Now, let's get blending. First, gently toast your pine nuts in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're golden and aromatic. This step really enhances their flavor. Then, combine the fresh basil, peeled garlic cloves, toasted pine nuts, and grated Parmesan cheese in your food processor. Pulse these ingredients together until they form a coarse, crumbly mixture, ready for the oil. This is where the magic happens for that perfect pesto texture. With the food processor running on low, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil through the feed tube. Continue processing until your pesto achieves a smooth, yet slightly chunky, consistency. It should be thick enough to coat a spoon. Finally, taste your creation and adjust the seasoning with a little more salt and perhaps some freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Once your delicious garlic pesto is complete, transfer it to an airtight container. To keep it vibrant and fresh, pour a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the surface before sealing. This simple trick helps prevent oxidation and keeps that beautiful green color. You can refrigerate your pesto for up to 7 days, or for longer enjoyment, freeze it in small portions for several months. Enjoy it with pasta, sandwiches, or as a dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.